Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we're asked to find the matrix that represents x times y plus z. And we're given the three matrices x, y, and z. So let's set up the expression x times y plus z. So matrix x is 1, 3, 2, 4. And we're multiplying this by y plus z in parentheses. So we have matrix y, which is 2, 3, negative 4, negative 2, plus matrix z, which is negative 1, negative 3, 4, and 3. So according to order of operations, we need to do what's in the parentheses first, which is adding these two matrices together. So we have a 2 by 2 matrix, and we're adding that to a 2 by 2 matrix. Because they're the same dimensions, we can go ahead and add these two matrices together. So when we add two matrices together, we're going to add corresponding entries together. This means we're going to add entries that are in the same position. So this upper left-hand corner, or row 1, column 1, is going to be added to the upper left-hand entry in this matrix. So 2 plus a negative 1, that's going to give us 1. Negative 4 plus 4, this gives us 0. 3 plus a negative 3, this gives us 0. And negative 2 plus 3, this gives us 1. So the sum of these two matrices gives us this matrix here. And we still need to multiply this by matrix x, which is 1, 3, 2, 4. So now we're trying to find the product of these two matrices. Now one thing I want you to recognize right away is this matrix here. This is an identity matrix. An identity matrix has 1s on the main diagonal and 0s everywhere else. Any matrix can be multiplied by an identity matrix to give the original matrix. So if we're multiplying this matrix times this identity matrix, the answer will be this original matrix here. So we know that ahead of time, but let's go ahead and do the math for this multiplication just to show you that this will be true. So when we multiply matrices, we're going to multiply corresponding entries in the first row of the first matrix by the entries in the first column of the second matrix, and we're going to add these two products together. So we have 1 times 1 plus 3 times 0. So 1 times 1 plus 3 times 0. That's how we work out the math for the first entry here. And following in the same fashion for the second entry, we have 2 times 1 plus 4 times 0. And moving on to the second column, we have 1 times 0 plus 3 times 1. And the last entry is 2 times 0 plus 4 times 1. And now let's simplify these entries. 1 times 1 plus 3 times 0, that's going to give us 1. Then we get 2, 3, and 4. And you can see that this matrix here is the same matrix that we had over here. So letter B is correct. Thanks for watching.